Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Confirm you have Windows Pro/Enterprise/Education and administrator rights. Once done, check TPM by running TPM. MSC. If TPM or Secure Boot is off, enable them in UEFI and reboot. Next, open Control Panel, go to System and Security, then Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Select the system drive and click Turn on Bitlocker to start. This step starts the process immediately. Make sure you have a backup plan for your recovery key before continuing. Now choose how you will unlock the drive and where to store the recovery key. You can set a password or use a USB key. If you have TPM, you can combine TPM with a PIN. Save the recovery key to your Microsoft account, a file, or print it. Store at least one offline copy in a secure place. Then select encryption options. Use new XDS mode for internal drives or compatible mode for drives that will move between older systems. Finally, choose to encrypt used space only or the whole drive and begin encryption. Finish by letting the encryption process complete. You may be prompted to reboot, do so, and then confirm the drive status reads encrypted or locked until you sign in. After that, open Bitlocker settings to manage recovery keys and add or remove unlock methods. Keep at least one recovery key offline. If you run into problems, such as TPM not detected, go back into UEFI to enable TPM and Secure Boot, or if necessary, enable the policy to allow Bitlocker without TPM so you can proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.